There are many ways that you can heat your home, the most common being a furnace. But the word furnace sometimes gets used to include a lot of different heating sources. In this video, we're going to talk about what a furnace is and focus on the two most popular kinds and why you would choose one over the other. So what is a furnace? Basically, it's an appliance in your home that produces heat, either by combusting a flammable energy source or energizing an electric coil to create heat. Combined with a circulation system, the heat is distributed around the home, keeping you warm. There are many kinds of furnaces, including electric and gas furnaces, boilers and heat pumps that use gas, electric, oil, wood, or coal. But today, we're going to focus on the most popular furnace type in the U.S., the central air furnace, using either gas or electric. Both gas and electric furnaces are made up of a few common components. Both reside in a box that contains a chamber to house either gas burners or electric resistance coils, a blower fan attached to the ductwork distribution system to move the heated air around your home, and a filter to help remove dust and protect the furnace. Electric furnaces keep it simple because all they need is the necessary wiring and circuit breakers to power the heating coils. The heat that is produced is clean and 100% used to heat the home, meaning no waste or exhaust. But there is a drawback: the cost of the electricity to run the furnace in the coldest months. While the kilowatt per hour cost may be pocket change, the amount needed to run a 20 kilowatt furnace can be staggering. It's not unusual to have monthly electric bills in the $500 range when the temperatures drop. Natural gas is the most widely used heating fuel in the U.S. due to its abundance and low cost. Gas furnaces function like electric furnaces, but with the addition of gas burners, heat exchangers, and an exhaust flue pipe system. Gas is economical to burn compared to electricity, with an average cost per month around $150 in the northern states. However, gas furnace efficiency ranges from 80 to 98%. This means that while most of the heat generated goes to heat your home, there still is a percentage that is wasted, going out the furnace flue pipe instead. Part of the waste contains carbon monoxide, which must be vented from the home. Properly installed, these furnaces are safe, dependable, and the more affordable heating option in cold weather climates. HVACdirect.com has a full range of gas and electric furnaces to choose from, including the other types of furnaces too. Feel free to give us a call or chat with us online. Check out our other videos to learn more. Be sure to like HVACdirect.com and subscribe to our channel. We always welcome comments and questions in the section below.